Hi, I'm CJ.
I'm Ali.
I'm Jackie.
I'm Nicole.
And this is the Cajun Bacon Show. Today we're going to make salted caramel chocolate chip cookies. Let's go to the store and get our ingredients.
First, we need sugar,
Chocolate chips.
And caramel chips.
Brown sugar.
all-purpose flour,
Eggs.
Butter.
salt.
Vanilla extract.
Baking soda.
And baking powder.
Preheat the oven to 350. Pour in a cup and a half of melted butter.
Next, add 3/4 of a cup of sugar to your bowl.
Add a cup and a half of brown sugar.
Now mix.
Add 2 eggs.
And 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
And then mix.
Now put this bowl aside and grab a new bowl.
Add 3 3/4 cups of flour
Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
and add 2 teaspoons of baking soda.
And add your chocolate and caramel chips.
Now mix.
Put parchment paper on 2 baking sheets.
Roll out your dough and place it on the pan. You can add some more chocolate chips on top. Get your mitts and put them in the oven.
Bake for 12 to 15 minutes.
Now clean up!
Our cookies are out of the oven. Let's taste test.
I give it an 8 out of 10 because it's salty and sweet.
I give it a 9 out of 10 because I like how chewy it is.
I would give it a solid 8.5 because it's super crispy on the outside, but nice and soggy on the inside.
Thanks for watching the Cajun Baking Show, and we'll see you next time.
Hope you enjoy.